Hold on now. Don't scroll, just hold on. Because you are going to thank God for this video. And honestly, you are going to appreciate AI more than you have ever done before. Let me just shock you with this question. Do you know that you can build a functioning website without even knowing a single line of code at all? Well, I'm Oma Olawale, and I'm a digital marketer with over 7 years experience. I don't know a single line of code, but I have platforms that people are using 24/7. Now listen, look at the platform I'm about to show you on your screen now. That is Reward Hub for Nigerians, where Nigerians can get data every day for doing simple tasks. And I'm the only one that performed this without even knowing a single line of code, just with AI. Now, and here's another one again, that's pre-ads that I've done for my beloved boss. Over 300 plus business owners are using it right now without any glitch at all. Now, what I'm about to give you is another answer to your prayer if you just create time to look into it. Because with this simple skill, you'll be able to create anything for anybody, and you'll be able to charge high amount that you have been desiring for long without even leaving the comfort of your house. All you need to learn is how to do this. You don't need to even know the language at all. Everything has been structured for you. Now, let me show you some of the things that I've been able to do and how I'm able to do it. For example, now, if you look at my screen now, this is my dashboard. This is where I complete every prompt that I use in building all the platform. And this is the C panel where I'm hosting every platform that I'm doing. Now, for example, now, this one is for RTM fashion. Now, everything I'm going to do here, you can see this is the dashboard here, and I've been able to do this with the help of AI. And this is what I'm going to be showing you how to do yourself. Now, like I've said, this is the one, but it is not enough to just go into AI and start using it to build these platforms. But you are going to learn the language. You are going to learn how to structure it well. And you are going to learn how to even place it on the domain to make all these things might look as if I'm going to perform magic. But honestly, when you have the right guide, you will see that it is not difficult at all. Now, like I said, you can even enter the comment to ask me other questions that you might need and how you can do it. And you can get all these things just by clicking on the link below. Don't delay it, because what you are chasing about is before you now. All you just need to do is just to grab the offer. Click on this link now and let us get started. I'm not going to give you the course alone, but I'm going to be your guide. What I mean is that you can ask questions, I'm going to give immediate response and guide you till you finish your first platform. All these things just for 20,000 naira. I'll be expecting you. Let's do it together and let's enjoy this AI together. See you there.